Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make OBS use less CPU. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, click on your search box and type here Task Manager, and you have to open Task Manager. And after opening Task Manager, click on Performance. And now here you will get the performance window. Here you can figure out how you can lower the CPU usage. Okay, now open your OBS and click on Settings and click on Video and click on FPS and select here Lower FPS and click on Output Resolution and select Lower Resolution from this list. And then click on Apply and now click on Output. Now enter the keyframe frequency as per the desktop frequency besides the keyframe interval option and click on Encoder, and from here select Software and click on OK. And that's how you can make OBS use less CPU. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.